Hi, everybody. Today is Friday, last day of the week. Today you will do 30 minutes Imagine Learning, and afterwards you need to choose your own homework. Choose one. I want to go back here really quick, and our star student for the week is Adriana. Good job, Adriana. She did Imagine Learning here. And she did 4 tareas. She had 4 homework assignments in Google Classroom. So Adriana is a star student. Good job, Adriana. Hoy solo Adriana. Adriana no necesita hacer tarea. Es un día gratis para Adriana porque she did 4 assignments. She had the most assignments. Ella tiene más tarea in Google Classroom. Ella hace más tarea en Google Classroom. Good job, Adriana. So today is a free day for you. Everybody else, though, you need to do 30 minutes Imagine Learning and then choose your own homework. I am checking your classwork, so I want you to make sure that I've got 2 comments. I want you to make sure that you're doing your classwork, okay? All right. And this is where you can find your classwork for instructions, and click here. Okay, everybody have a good weekend, and I hope to see more work next week. It was really fun on the field trip yesterday. Thank you for those who came. All right, I'll see you next week. Bye.